Hello friends, welcome to our channel Technical HP Web Tutorials. Dear friends, in today's video we are going to learn how to bring dynamic sliding effects in any Vivo mobiles. For these sliding effects, you can see in my mobile phone. How does it works? Now dear friends, I will tell you how to bring such type of effects in your Vivo phone. For this effect, follow the given steps. Step 1. Press your finger on any blank area of your mobile for a while. Step 2. Now you can see some option on bottom side of your mobile phone. Then after click on the dynamic sliding effects. Now you can see various effects. Choose any one effect of them which you like the most and click on it. After clicking on it, press the back button. The effect will be start working. If you like my video, then share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe button. You can also comment me on my comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.